Subscription methods. Method 1. Subscribe, option A. Purchase via App Smart SMS. Phone notification services. Add up to 100 phone numbers for phone and SMS notifications with your subscription. Subscribe, option B. Navigate to Device Details page settings. Message notification setting. Phone SMS notification service. Enable service. Method 2. Cancel SMS call alert service. 1. Go to App Smart Orders. Subscriptions. 2. Locate the active subscription and cancel it. Tips. A subscription is an optional service that enables phone and SMS notifications. You can cancel to stop future charges, but all payments are non-refundable. Please note that pricing may vary by region.